Student book, page 1. Ta-da! New words. Tom, Tom. Ben, Ben. Gus, Gus. Kim, Kim. Pam, Pam. One more time. Tom, Tom. Ben, Ben. Gus, Gus. Kim, Kim. Pam, Pam. Sentences. He, he. He is Tom. He is Ben. He is Gus. She, she. She is Kim. She is Pam. Questions and answers. Who? Two, two, two. Who? 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 Who is he? He is Tom. He is Tom. Who is he? He is Ben. Who is he? He is Gus. Who is she? She is Kim. Who is she? She is Pam. Chant. Tom, Tom. He is Tom. Who is he? He is Tom. Ben, Ben. He is Ben. Who is he? He is Ben. Gus, Gus. He is Gus. Who is he? He is Gus. Kim, Kim. She is Kim. Who is she? She is Kim. Pam, Pam. She is Pam. Who is she? She is Pam. The end. Good job. See you next time.